Greetings, cosmic wanderers, and welcome back to the ethereal space of transformative enlightenment. Today, we're setting sail on a celestial voyage, delving into the mystical currents of manifestation that dance between the realms of reality and desire. Have you ever felt the cosmic echoes of your manifestations fading into the cosmic void, leaving you yearning for a potent technique to unlock the universe's secrets? Well, prepare to be illuminated as we unravel the sacred art of manifesting with just one word, a technique whispered to us by the mystical sage Neville Goddard. Buckle up, cosmic co-creators, for we're about to traverse the cosmic tapestry of manifestation like never before. If you're just joining our cosmic expedition, I extend a cosmic welcome to you. Today, we embark on a journey of cosmic proportions, exploring the celestial wisdom encapsulated in the one-word manifestation technique by the luminary Neville Goddard. Before we ascend further into the cosmic realms of this transformative knowledge, ensure you've harnessed the cosmic energy by hitting the like button, subscribing to this cosmic conduit of wisdom, and sharing this cosmic revelation with kindred spirits. Now, let's dive deep into the cosmic currents of manifesting with the power of a single word. Cosmic co-creators, unite. Now, let's delve into each step of the manifestation process with a more detailed exploration, aiming to provide a comprehensive understanding of the intricate dynamics involved. Step 1. The profound wisdom of the law of assumption. The law of assumption serves as the bedrock of our manifestation journey. It beckons us to not merely wish for our desires, but to assume that they are already tangible aspects of our reality. This transcends conventional thinking, representing a profound call to rewire the subconscious mind. Embracing change becomes a core principle, recognizing that our most cherished desires are integral to the positive transformation we seek in our lives. The canvas of our life experiences, according to this law, is painted by the brushes of our beliefs and thoughts. It is a philosophical shift that invites us to participate actively in the creation of our own destinies. Step 2. Choosing your word. A vibrational resonance. As we transition to the second step, the careful selection of the manifestation catalyst, we encounter the essence of vibrational resonance. This isn't just any word. It is a finely tuned frequency that aligns with the very core of our desires. Whether we crave the exuberance of joy, the sweet taste of success, or the abundant flow of prosperity, the chosen word becomes a metaphysical portal, unlocking the emotions and sensations we deeply yearn for. Specificity and resonance guide our selection, acting as the North Star in navigating the celestial expanse of our desires. Step 3. Putting the word into action. Precision in communication. Now, the chosen word must be seamlessly woven into the fabric of our reality. It is not a mere utterance, but a precise form of communication with our subconscious. Pathways such as prayer, meditation, visualization, speaking intentions aloud, or the creation of a vision board become sacred rituals. Each method serves as a nuanced brushstroke, infusing the chosen word into the tapestry of our existence. Precision in communication becomes the cornerstone of success, ensuring that our desires are transmitted with clarity and conviction to the deeper realms of our consciousness. Step 4. Visualization and meditation. Twin pillars of manifestation. The fourth step unveils the intricacies of visualization and meditation, twin pillars that uphold and intricately weave the structure of manifestation. Visualization demands an exquisite attention to detail, a synesthetic dance engaging all our senses in the creation of a vivid mental landscape. In the sacred space of meditation, we seek tranquility, allowing the chosen word to reverberate and create a profound connection between our conscious mind and the depths of our soul. Consistency in these practices is not a mere routine, but the golden thread weaving our desires into the vast tapestry of our reality, ensuring that our manifestations resonate at the deepest levels of our being. Step 5. Feeling the energy of your single word, embodiment of desires. Now, we unfurl the layers of the 5th step, feeling the energy of our single word. This is not a mental exercise. It is a profound somatic experience, an embodiment of the very essence of our desires. Immersed in the kaleidoscope of emotions intricately tied to our yearnings, we envision, with every fiber of our being, the manifestation of our heart's deepest longings. The energy resonates through our entire being, embracing the positive vibrations intricately associated with our chosen word. This step is a holistic integration of mind, body, and spirit, a harmonious dance where the energy of our desires becomes a palpable force in our existence. Step 6. Allowing the manifestation to enter your life. The culmination. And finally, the crescendo of the 6th step, allowing the manifestation to gracefully enter our lives. This step involves the release of limiting beliefs and doubts, those subtle tendrils that may act as stumbling blocks on our cosmic journey. We cultivate a mindset of gratitude, expressing profound thanks for the abundance already present in our lives. Trust becomes the intricate thread woven into the cosmic dance of manifestation. We harbor unwavering faith and witness with awe as our desires unfold, petal by petal, like the majestic blossoming of a cosmic flower in the vast garden of the universe. As we conclude our profound exploration into the cosmic currents of manifestation, we find ourselves standing at the threshold of a transformative journey. The steps we've traversed are not merely a series of techniques. They are a cosmic dance, a symphony of consciousness, guiding us through the intricate layers of our desires. The law of assumption sets the stage, beckoning us to assume our desires as tangible aspects of our reality, recognizing our role as active co-creators in the vast tapestry of existence. Choosing our word becomes a sacred act, a resonance finely tuned to the vibrational frequencies of our deepest yearnings. It is a metaphysical portal, a key unlocking the emotions and sensations that weave the fabric of our desires into the cosmic canvas. Precision in communication becomes our compass, ensuring that our desires are transmitted with clarity and conviction to the depths of our subconscious. Visualization and meditation emerge as twin pillars, not just rituals but profound gateways to the realms of manifestation. They demand our exquisite attention, a synesthetic dance engaging all our senses, and a consistent practice that weaves our desires into the very tapestry of our reality. Feeling the energy of our single word becomes an embodiment, a holistic integration of mind, body, and spirit. It is a profound somatic experience, where the vibrations of our desires resonate through every fiber of our being. And finally, allowing the manifestation to enter our lives becomes the culmination, a dance of trust, gratitude, and unwavering faith, where the universe unfolds our desires like the petals of a cosmic flower. As we stand at the cosmic crossroads, having explored the intricacies of manifesting with just one word, I invite you to embrace this cosmic dance. The universe is an ever-expanding canvas, and you are the artist of your reality. Use the power of your chosen word to paint the masterpiece of your desires. The cosmic energies are conspiring to bring your manifestations to life. Our cosmic exploration doesn't end here. It's a perpetual dance through the cosmos of wisdom. May your chosen word be the beacon guiding you through the cosmic tapestry of your dreams. As you navigate the realms of manifestation, remember, you are the cosmic orchestrator, and the universe eagerly awaits your masterpiece. Until our cosmic paths cross again, embrace the magic within and continue dancing with the stars. Cosmic blessings to you, fellow travelers.